Hello investor, how are you? How are you doing in your investing journey? I hope you are doing great. So this is another video. So last video we posted about Tega Industries. Now this video will be to understand the similar growth stock, so which you can learn and invest in a long term. Okay. So similar to Tega Industries, this has a very good business, and also it's discounted. Why I am saying discounted? In 2022 it went to approximately 2000 rupees. Now it's trading around 999. That is approximately 50% discount. So if it is available with 50% discount, shall we go ahead and buy it? No, not at all. That's not the logic. If you fall in that kind of logic, then you are not going to survive in a long term in a stock market. As I stated in my previous video also, we have to treat this as a business rather just a trading material. So if you treat this as a business, definitely you can grow your portfolio in a long term. And to treat this as a business, these are the number of items which we have already discussed. If you're not gone through my video, please go through, you will understand in details. So as I said, last video we covered Tega Industries. It was around 1141. Now it is trading on 1288, though it went to 1380. So this is just a beginning. It's not like that this is done and after that it will not grow. It may grow in a long term. So again, you have to think from your side and you have to learn the logic before investing anything and follow your financial advisor if any. So let's begin with this one. So this is again a very good fundamental company. Okay, saying that company is almost debt free. CAGR is 92.6 of last 5 years, not just 1 year. Return on equity 40%, which is great, and company sales growing 34.2% in last 10 years, which is amazing. The only cons I can see that 7.65 times the book value, it can go to 70 times, no worries, that's not a big deal. Okay, these are all data coming from screener.com. You can use that particular website. Okay, let's see another fundamental of this particular company. Currently it's trading as 995. This is as of Friday 16th. Okay, 16th February. So 995. P, you can see if you compare with the peers, 24.85, compare it, and the ROCE, if you compare with the peer, you can also compare that. This is beautiful. And if you see the market capitalization, just 13,000. Okay, small cap company, kind of, it can grow to mid cap, and rest all other in this sector are almost large cap. Okay, so there are chances to grow for this particular company. Next fundamentals of this company: sales growing gradually, right? It's growing, it's not like that's falling any quarter. Okay, so there was some fall, so we have to speak on this in detail, why this fall came. Okay, that is the reason we have a 50% discount on this company because of these sales fall. Okay, operating profit same, it went to 2203, then 184, 131, then again it's growing gradually. The reason behind this fall was related to COVID, and that's the reason you have 50% discount. Same it goes to profit and tax, same it goes to net profit, same it goes to EPS also. So everywhere same story, saying that we have a growth in this particular business. Balance sheet is very strong, saying every year there is a reserve increment, even though there was a decline in the sales in 2000, but still we can see reserves is growing every year. It means companies is in profit, so nothing to worry about it. Next fundamental concept is a promoter. So in 2021, promoter holding was just 41%. Now it grows to 44.16 in last 2 years. So they are increasing their holdings. Plus FII, it is 11.82, now 15. So FII increasing, promoter increasing. DI was very less, but if you see the trades from March 2023, DI is also coming now from 0.07. Now it goes to 0.90. It is, which is negligible. Definitely it will grow. Public holding 43, now it is 39. Public holding is reduced, which is good sign in any business where we have less public holding, more promoter, more FIs, more DIs. Okay, now which is the company? The company is Tanla platform. Earlier it was Tanla solution, now it is changed to Tanla platform. And what is the nature of this company? A2P, handling of A2P messaging platform. What is A2P messaging platform? So you might be aware of, whenever you do any transaction, whether you log into any application also, you receive OTP. That's OTP from application to the public is handled by this particular company. And you know, OTP is how critical it is. So OTP is very critical. So that's the reason this is very, very futuristic business. Plus, see the customer: Airtel, SFR, Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, Axis Bank. These are the customers. So if you have stock on this company, definitely this company is dealing with this particular Tanla platform. Okay, and approximately 50% of the Tanla customers is there with 7 years. Good retention also. So very good retention of these particular things. Okay, now we'll come back to why we have a discount of 50%. So during COVID, right, everyone is at home and they were ordering everything for online, right? And you know, while ordering online, OTP carries a lot more important. Every time you have to send OTP. Plus, the important part during COVID was vaccination. And for vaccination, we have to send a lot of OTPs across so many public in the India. So because of those things, right, these are the achievement for this particular company. That achievement later become the crash reason. So during this phase, company's profit, company sales grows like a rocket. And now once this all vaccination and everything is done, post that sales growth was less, because of that quarterly result was less and stock crash. So it's not any fundamental issue. It's just like a boom in the growth, and stock rises like anything and then fall like anything. Now we have a stable business and very good long-term perspective as per the data available on the website, available on the screener. Not my recommendation. Again, you can check with your financial advisor. This all information is useful to understand, to learn the logic, rather than just putting this buy button and then you will cry for sure. If you do not invest by your logic, by your knowledge, definitely if there is a fall, for example, in this, whoever bought this particular stock around 2000 rupees, if they have a logic behind that, so long term perspective, definitely they will relax. And if you have someone invested just because of tips, or just something is going up, then definitely they will be crying, or they must have sold this particular stock. So saying that logic and knowledge is very important rather than just following on tips. So learn this particular stock, understand the fundamental by your side, keeping this mind of this 10 particular point. They will definitely come across some good criteria for this particular stock. Till then, keep learning, keep investing. See you into next video.